Okay guys, we're going to do day 3 of your homework, and this tells us to find the missing arc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a highlighter and highlight the missing arc. And if you notice, this arc should have an angle that's going to match it, and the way you find it is you take your pencil and go from the intersected arc on both sides, and there you will have your angle. So right here is what we're trying to find, this angle. Okay, I'm gonna go and look at the other information that's on the picture. I have 53, so you're just gonna work backwards with that one. We're gonna highlight the chords that make 53, and the vertex of these, the intersection of these chords, which is called the vertex, is right here on the circle, so that's an inscribed angle. And I'm gonna go and highlight the arc that matches it. Okay? Now if that's an inscribed angle, then we know that if I double this, I will get this out here. And here's how you remember, this is small, so to get the big arc that it intersects, then we're gonna double it. So this out here is 106. Okay, so now we're going to look at what is the relationship between this pink arc and this orange arc right here. Well, if you notice, AC has a name. It is called a diameter. This is a diameter right here with AC. So if that's a diameter, that means arc AB plus arc BC should be 180 degrees. So that is what we call a semicircle. So I'm going to say the question mark, and I'm going to call it Y, since we already have X down here. So we're going to say Y plus 106 should equal 180. That's going to help me find Y. And if I find Y, that means I can find X, because there's a relationship between the arc and the angle and the arc when we have inscribed angles. So I'm going to minus 106, minus 106. So Y equals, this is 4, this is 7. So Y is 74. So if this is 74, then to find this angle right here, that's an inscribed angle. So what I'm going to do is take half of this, because I know that I need to double this to get this out here. So if I know this, I want to take half of this number to get this down here. So we're going to say that X should equal 74 divided by 2. And I'm going to go grab my Desmos calculator. 74, or you can do your mental math, divide by 2 is 37. And we got that X equals 37. So we found the missing part. Okay, let's go to the other one. Here I'm just going to simply get my highlighter, or you can just use a pencil, a color pencil, and match the arcs with the angles. So right here I'm going to get angle JBA, and it goes with this arc. Okay, if it's asking me to solve for X, there's a relationship here. We know that 51 should equal 2 of this out here. So we're going to say that since this is an inscribed angle, we're going to say that 2 times 51 should equal 50x plus 2. All right, so now I'm going to use my symmetric property of equality. And you could have set it up the other way, but I'm going to go ahead and use my symmetric property of equality to get my X on the side it's supposed to be on. And this is 102, and then minus 2, minus 2. 50x equals 100, divide by 50, divide by 50, and X equals 2. All right, and did that ask us to solve for X? Yes. So, and you can go and check to make sure that worked. So you can put 50 times 2 in, and you'll get 102. And then if you take half of 102, you should get 51. So you know you're good. All right, let me see if we have any more homework. Oh, that's it, guys. Okay, talk to you guys on tomorrow. Bye.